In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete all your archived stories on Instagram in just a few simple steps. So, make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then select Archive. So now what you want to do next is tap over here and select Stories Archive. And it will show you all of your stories that are archived. So, the thing is that there is no option to delete all of your archived stories at once. You just have to manually delete them one by one. So to do that, tap on any one of these archived stories, then tap More, and then simply tap Delete. You just have to go through your entire list of archived stories and delete each and every one of them manually. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.